A bold expedition follows a single, shimmering bowl of bird's nest tea through the humid markets of Hainan. As a guide, maps out a centuries-old ritual of value and patience. The nest of the swiftlet is harvested with care, then cleaned, set to steep until a pale amber elixir forms, revealing a delicate sweetness and rare mineral notes that whisper of coral reefs and monsoon winds. The preparation balances precision and ceremony, inviting spectators to taste history with every sip. The cultural significance rests in the meticulous collection, the belief in nourishment, and the status its scarcity grants to families and communities. As the episode closes, the audience is invited to ponder how a simple drink can carry the weight of tradition.